What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a very useful tip in the case that you are a web designer, a web developer, a site owner. I know that it's hard to test your site into every single mobile device, for example iPhones, Android phones, and it's very important to have a responsive site, okay, a site that adapts to different screen sizes, tablets, laptops, desktops, mobile phones, okay? So it's essential to have one, there is no option. But how to test, how to make sure? There is a lot of tools, most are paid, most needs a subscription, but I found a new free tool that you can use and try yourself, okay? And I'm gonna share into this video. Go to Google and type Mobile Viewer IO, just like this. You're gonna be able to see this first site. You're gonna click and see it right here, okay? All we have to do is enter the domain URL. Let me grab the Visual Modo domain URL. Then you can simulate how the site gonna looks like into iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, 15 Plus, 16 Pro, or Samsung S23, 23 Plus, or Ultra. Okay, you can simulate how the site gonna looks like into different mobile models and into different manufacturers. Okay, so you're gonna click on Get Mobile Version, and you're gonna be able to see how the site looks like into the mobile screen size. Into a new tab. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. No way to worry, no things to worry, you can do it as many times as you need. All you have to do is close the window, select another phone, and get the mobile version, okay? Simple, easy, effective, and works for free. Try it yourself and let me know in the comments what you think. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!